to state that, look, that's wrong. That's a wrong signal. It's a bad one. Can we ever see that once he's not taking the case to court himself? I'm talking about the majority leader. I mean, you can have a bite on this. I'm just tying that in.
Yes, but it depends on which court we're talking about, where the case is for the majority leader. Is it in the appeals court? It's not in the Supreme Court?
No, minority took the e-levy to the Supreme Court.
Yes, yes.
So yes, that's it.
So it's maybe I got you wrong.
Okay.
It's not the majority leader's statement. It's the minority's leader's case
in the
court.
Supreme Court.
Good.
And that the majority leader has commented on it.
Absolutely, and said that it's a non-starter, it's a no-brainer, it's dead on arrival.
You know why I disagree, and I'll tie it in.
Right,
you know why I disagree with Lordship Amagacha?
Right.
It's education, isn't it? The processes that Justice Abdullahi has been going from radio station to explain.
Right.
It's education, isn't it? It teaches the people, if for nothing at all, the processes that have been followed.
Yeah.
Why is it a bad signal? Because he didn't give reasons why he felt it was a bad signal. What made it a bad signal? Not unless he was saying he was talking about issues in terms of how he felt the Supreme Court would judge the case. He was talking about his processes. And if you're talking about his processes, it educates all of us. Not everybody who has the knowledge in terms of the technicalities of processing such cases in court. And especially when it's not a substantive case, but it's a review of the substantive case. I beg to differ by what His Lordship Amagacha said. But he feels that probably he is trying to twist the arm of, the Supreme Court in terms of getting favors first. But hey, the law is in the bosom of the judge, especially in the Supreme Court. And so I don't see why he has chastised the law lecturer. Now, yes, if the majority leader is commenting on a case that the opposition have taken into court, and he's saying that it's a dead case before. I mean, how? I mean, when I heard the majority just say that, I asked myself, how can you say that? You are not the one judging the case in court. Why do you want to put that in the minds of the people? What if it goes to court and he realizes that it's not dead on arrival? What do you then say? Incumbency sometimes can create certain situations. I also cringed. So if the majority leader is called and chastised, will he like it? Now, the fact that you're empowered doesn't mean you have the right to say whatever you want to say, especially where legal issues are concerned. Cases are